Hello again, this is Robert Veach, and this is my video review of a Cuisinart DBM-8AMZ Supreme Grind Automatic Burr Mill Coffee Grinder. Now I have the brand new unit on my left here, and this is the box it came in. Some of the unique features that this has, it will hold up to grind to make 32 cups of coffee. Has a removable 8-ounce bean hopper, which is this right here. It has automatic timer. It shuts off after the grind cycle is complete. It has 18 different positions on the grind, which I believe you rotate right here. And it has a 4 to 18 cup slide dial, which is right on the top right here. And of course it's nice looking, and it has stainless steel trim on there, so it's an attractive looking product. And it has a convenient cord storage on the bottom of the unit. It actually has, if you look right here, you have a wraparound area to store the cord. That comes with a little coffee scoop and a cleaning brush. Now I want to go into why I think this is important, why I decided to buy it. It involves the K-cups. So I'm going to move the camera over here, move this box out of the way, and show you one of our K-cup machines, the Keurig brand. Now I have, like a lot of people, I have one of these blade grinders. This is a Braun version, and it grinds the beans up okay, but because of the simple style of the blade on there, it makes it into a powdery grind. And you either have a choice of powdery or really large size pieces of coffee. So what happens is when it becomes too powdery, you use one of these little modules, it doesn't flow through properly, and it takes forever, and the machine gets a little confused. So the importance of grinding, not only for flavor enhancement, but it's also for the consistency of the grind itself. So we're going to try this unit out, and we're going to see if it improves what we have happen when we use the Keurig and these little K-cup modules right here. So we're going to go over all the features of this, and we're going to actually try it. I have some Rudamayo organic coffee beans, and I'm going to try it on kind of near the medium setting, maybe a little bit to the left. And you have your selector right here. I'm just going to put it to 8 cups of coffee grounds for this first trial. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to add the coffee beans in here. Close the cover right there. Now I should just be able to hit the start button. Let's readjust the camera right here. Okay, so it finished, and that was a setting of 8 cups, and a little bit less than medium, more towards the fine. And then you slide this out, and this has, there's the entryway for the grounds. Make sure that's clear. It has a little cute little cover on here. You see, static will hold some of the fine powder up. Now you lift this up, and there's the grind itself. Now looking at the grind, look at that, it's like a nice powder. You can see the oil from the coffee in there. but it's very even grind. If you look at that, it's hard to see, but they're all the same size and shape. So I'm going to test this in my K-Cup machine and see how it tastes and how it does. Okay, so we're going to give it a try here. I'm going to use the ground coffee that we just did with the Cuisinart grinder. Put it in my little K-Cup pod. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, it's flowing normally now. And prior to that, it was taking a really long time for it to even flow. So that grind is really important for something like the Keurig K-Cups. So there, it worked perfectly. This is normally jamming up. So using a standard blade grinder just doesn't work for a K-Cup machine. So there you go. So what do I think about this product? Let's go back to the product right here. Well, so far I just demonstrated how well it worked and how good the grind was and how it corrected my issue with my K-Cup machine. So I like this product, like the way it looks, and it seems to work flawlessly. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching. And let's taste this coffee now. Very, very good.